Hi foodies, I'm Kanak. Welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you the most popular and famous South Indian cuisine, that is masala dosa. In this, the dosa is first prepared with rice batter and then it is stuffed with onions and potatoes filling, and it comes out really good. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now in a wok or a shallow pan, heat some oil or ghee, add the cashew nuts and fry them until they are golden brown in color. Once that is done, remove them and keep it aside. In the same pan, add the mustard seeds and let it splutter. Then add the cumin seeds and the chana dal. Fry them until the chana dal turns little golden brown in color. Take care not to burn it. Now add the onions and the curry leaves and keep frying until the onions are nice, translucent and softened. Once the onions are little tender, then add in the chopped green chilies and ginger and fry them for a minute. Now add the turmeric powder and asafoetida and fry for around 15 to 30 seconds. Now add the chopped boiled potatoes and mix the potatoes properly with the masala. Add the salt and the earlier fried cashew nuts at this point of time. Cook the mixture nicely and evenly for around 2 to 3 minutes and keep stirring it so the potato don't get burned. Once the mixture is ready and all the things are nicely combined with each other, now finally add chopped fresh coriander and mix well, and this potato filling is ready. This is the basic masala for the dosa which I showed you. The masala is too dry, but if you want you can add a sprinkle of water to it. Now heat a non-stick pan with very little oil and spread it evenly all around. Now take a big spoonful of the dosa batter and pour it on the pan. As soon as you pour it, quickly spread the batter in a circular manner to get a thin and round dosa this way. Now add the potato masala on the side of the dosa and let it cook for around 2 more minutes until crispy. Now cover the dosa with the remaining half and let it cook for another 15 to 30 seconds until crispy. Once that is done, remove it on a platter and serve hot with some sambar and coconut chutney on the side. Hope you like my masala dosa recipe, and this is very crispy outside with nice tender potato and onions filling inside. Though it is a long process, but it's really worth it. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes.